Welcome guys to our another new tutorial video. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can bold your header menu fonts. If you are using the free Dawn theme in Shopify, you will notice that the menu fonts in the default theme are very thin and unbold, which looks very bad and unclear for some clients. As you can see on my screen, my header menu fonts are very thin and unbold by default. Now let's see how the menu fonts look after making them bold. As you can see, this is our default font, and this is our menu font after we bolded it, which is much thicker and clearer than before. There is no option anywhere in Shopify free theme customization where you can bold your menu font or a specific font. But after watching today's tutorial video, you will be able to bold your header menu fonts very easily. So without further ado, let's see how you can bold menu fonts to your store. As you can see, I'm currently in the Shopify admin dashboard. Today, I will show you how to do this on the free Dawn theme in Shopify. If you have any other theme, then you can do it in the same way. After coming to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on the online store from the left side. Then click this three-dot icon. Then click Edit Code. If you are not familiar with coding in Shopify, my suggestion is to first duplicate your theme. If you make a mistake in your theme while coding, you can use this duplicate theme as a backup. Now I'm going to click on the Edit Code. Then you will see some folders and files here on the left. First, close these files and folders. Then click on this search bar and search here base.css. Then click on this base.css file and open it. Then scroll down to the end and paste here our short code. And that's the code which we will be using. And I will provide the code in the video description and first comment. You just need to copy the code and paste it where I'm going to show you. So, copy this all code and go back to your previous tab. Then after opening the base.css file, scroll down to the bottom and paste our code here. Before pasting the code, I will preview the store first so that we can compare and see if our code is working properly after using it. Now I will paste our code here. Then click on this Save button to save your changes. Our work is done. Now we'll preview it in our store to see if our menu fonts has been bold or not. So to do this, click on this Preview button, and yes, our menu fonts are bolded successfully. This is our before menu fonts, and this is after bold menu fonts. I hope guys you're all enjoyed this tutorial video. If the video was helpful to you, please like the video and share your opinion in the comment box. This is our new channel. If you want to regularly get such helpful videos for free, then subscribe to our channel.